Hi there. The purpose of this video is to give you a quick walkthrough of Vocabulary.com. To access the Academic Vocabulary Review List, you'll need to create an account, which is free and simple to do. Once you've signed up, you'll be able to do the activities for the Academic Vocabulary Review List, and you'll be able to create your own vocabulary lists by entering a series of words separated by commas, or by copying and pasting portions of text that contain the vocabulary you'd like to study. This vocabulary list, which I've called Academic Vocabulary Review, includes 15 words. I recommend that you take a look at the words before you start the activities in case some of the vocabulary is new to you. You'll notice that 3 activities are offered here: Practice, Spelling Bee, and Vocabulary Jam. I'll click on the Practice activity to show you how it works. And as you can see, you're given a word from the vocabulary list and a choice of definitions. And when you select the correct answer, you're given immediate feedback. And also you're given a detailed definition to the side with sample sentences, so you can see the various contexts in which the word might be used. And this is really helpful in terms of recycling the vocabulary, which is essential for retaining new words. And another benefit is that you'll probably learn additional vocabulary that you weren't previously familiar with. Here is another one. Okay, again, you've got your feedback, detailed definition, sample sentences, and so on. So this is just one type of activity you're seeing here. There are various types of activities that will allow you to test your knowledge and understanding of the words that you've entered in. There are some fill-in-the-blank activities, and again, various ways of testing so that you'll get more than ample practice with the words that you would like to learn. So that concludes my brief demonstration of Vocabulary.com. Please give it a try. Hopefully you'll find it useful, and please use the code provided to rate your experience.